Welcome back to Dylan's Speed Shop. Last episode, we're going to put LED headlights on the 2015 Silverado. Let's check it out! Now today we're installing some LED headlight bulbs on my 2015 Silverado. Not the Roadrunner. So light bulbs we're putting on the truck today are the Type S LED fog lights. Granted, these are fog lights, they're not meant for headlights, but they're going in the truck. And they change color. So that's super neat. Okay, well we're going to start by popping the hood. Let that just flail up there. Now if you have a 2015 Silverado, you know the driver's side headlight is a breeze to do. It's passenger side, they'll get you. So we're going to start on the easy side. Now if you look inside the cavity here for the headlight, you'll reach over here. Turn this giant knob so you can access the headlight. Pops right out and there's your H11 headlight. Real easy to find. And you go ahead and open up your package here. Use the biggest razor blade you can find, cut it open, make a big mess, shrapnel everywhere. Now once you remove your headlight, it will look like this. You want to unplug your factory headlight and install your new LED. This one happened to come with a connector for a cool LED blue light thing. Haven't decided if I'm going that route yet, but at least I'll have an LED headlight. Then once you have it plugged in, go ahead and bring it out, turn on your headlights, make sure your headlights work. As I said, the driver's side is pretty straightforward. Passenger side, that's when we start playing with fire. Alright, so on the passenger side, this is when things get more interesting. You gotta pull this air box out of the way. At least be able to get your mitts down in here. So let's go about doing that. Now these air boxes, the factory air box from Chevrolet, it's just two 8mm bolts. Screw bolts. You gotta get out of the way. Open up this air box. You can go about getting your passenger side headlight. And if you want, you can take the whole assembly out, or you can just swing it over to the side. Today, I might just swing it to the side. Correction, there are 4 of these bolts. You don't know until you pull real hard. I think that's a Johnny Cash song. No, probably not. Alright, so now we got those bolts out of the way. This will lift right up. Found the bar that's in the way. Before right there in case you didn't see it, like me. Since we didn't see it, go ahead and pop off the air box from this side. What you want to do is be real careful so you don't stress out this wiring harness any more than you have to. And just disconnect the thing. So what you want to do, go ahead and remove one body fastener style screw that someone's already monkeyed with. Not me. Go on here. Same verse, same as the first. Go in here and fight with the cap for headlight. So once you wrestle out the cap for that, you can reach in here, rotate the headlight, go pull that out. Try not to touch the glass part of the headlight. I'm pulling these out so you can put them back in the truck to decide to later on. Good luck. And then once you got your new fancy bulb, go ahead and salt in the rat's nest. So that's all there is to it. The headlight's pretty straightforward. Only difference is you got flip-flop the connection if your headlights don't come on right away, because LEDs have that polarity to them. So yeah, quick and easy mod for any vehicle. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time, guys.